Hi, it's Jackie Cunningham of the Coaches Console Customer Support Team. And today we're looking at appointment types in your calendar. Did you know that you can create as many appointment types as you like in the Coaches Console? You can. And each appointment type has its own duration, buffer time, call strategy form, and notification emails. So you could create a type for your sample sessions, one for your private one-to-one sessions, and even one for a particular group, and so on. So let's go take a look. From our dashboard, we'll click on the Calendar module and then Appointment Types. And you'll see that I already have two different appointment types set up in my system. One is my Discover Your Path to Prosperity session, which is my sample session, and the other is my private client session, which is available to my active clients so that they can schedule time with me. So let's open up the Discover Your Path appointment type and just look at each of the different options. So first of all, on the Details tab, you'll give the appointment type a title. Here's your direct link to that appointment type. You can include a personal message, set the duration. I have mine set for 40 minutes, and you can block time before or after. I have 20 minutes after. So essentially on my calendar, this appointment type, when someone schedules it, takes up an hour on my calendar. 40 minutes for the session, and then 20 minutes after, which gives me a little break and time to do my notes and so forth. You can also set the color that you want it to appear on your calendar when someone schedules, and you can have a call strategy form. So that would be in your reminder template so that the person could fill out a form ahead of time. And you can limit how many appointments of this type to have each day. Next, if we look at permissions, you'll see that I have this set up so that only prospects have access to this particular appointment type. So this is my sample session, so it's only available to prospects. Next, confirmation and reminders. You have an email confirmation template, reminder templates, and you can have as many reminder templates as you like. We usually do 24 hours in advance and 1 hour in advance, but you can do as many as you like. You can just keep adding reminders. For each one of these, you can edit them. So if you click on Edit next to the template, you can go in and change up the language, add your signature block, whatever you'd like to do there. Same with your reminders. You can just edit them. If you wanted to remove one of them, you can do that. You also have the option to add a follow-up message. So a follow-up email that would go out after your appointment. So maybe you put your post-session recap form in there. And then next you have your thank you page. So this is the page that will pop up after the person schedules their appointment with you. It just confirms the appointment, the title, how long it is, the date, the time, and these are called replacement tags. And you'll see them throughout the system. They have the $ before and after, and that just means that it's pulling some piece of data from the system itself. So it's going to pull in the information from that appointment. And then you'll see that there's a link where they can add it to their calendar or they can add it to Google. So those are all the different options that you have when you're creating an appointment type. So you can see that that really takes your calendar to the next level. You can schedule available time on your calendar and then assign it to specific appointment types. So let's take a look here real quick. On my calendar, I have an available block of time set for 1 to 3 p.m. on Thursday. And you'll see that this is available for my Discover Your Path session and my private client session. I click on that and show that to you. So the block of time is from 1 to 3, available time. And in that available time, someone could schedule either a Discover Your Path appointment or a private client session appointment. And then once they schedule an appointment, it's going to show up here in my available time block, and it will actually block that time period. So then if someone else comes in and they're trying to schedule a private client session, I've already got a Discover Your Path session at 1 o'clock, they won't see that time option. They'll only see the times that are available after that. So you can really use appointment types to organize and categorize your calendar to make it work just the way you want it to. For more information about the Coaches Console, visit us at coachesconsole.com.